In this video, we will compare Planner5d versus Sketchup, which is the best 3D designing tool. Planner5d is a user-friendly and visual-rich interior design tool that allows users to create detailed home layouts in both 3D and 2D. Whether you're an aspiring interior designer, or just a homeowner planning a renovation, or someone who loves playing with layouts, Planner5d makes it easy to bring your ideas to life without needing a professional experience. One of its strongest features is its drag and drop interface, which offers access to a large catalogue of furniture, textures and decorative elements. The app also supports real-time switching between 2D blueprint view and 3D interactive walkthroughs, which adds a professional touch even in the amateur design. The free version of Planner5d is decent for basic use, but many of its more stylish or higher quality items are locked behind the paywall, which can be frustrating for many beginners. That said, the rendering and quality is impressive, especially if you're using the HD visualization available with paid plans. It also includes AI Assist room layout, which can be great for a starting point if you do not know how to begin. It works on web browsers, iOS and Android, making it accessible across multiple platforms. Planner5d offers a both free and paid version, with the paid version giving access to basic tools and limited selection of design items. However, to unlock the full experience and include high quality furniture models and advanced editing tools, you'll need to purchase a premium membership or buy an individual item package. The pricing will vary depending on you're using the platform on desktop or mobile. Typically, you can expect around $7 per month or $16 quarterly, or $30 annually for personal use. However, there are one-time purchase options for specific features like HD rendering, item bundling, and more. While the free version is useful and quick mock-ups are casual use, serious designers' work really benefits from upgraded tools found in the paid tiers. Overall, Planner5d is a great tool for a competitive and creative experimentation and realistic home planning. Just be prepared. Be prepared for some limitations, unless you're willing to pay the premium features. Sketchup is a powerful and versatile 3D modelling software that's widely used in architecture, interior design, landscape planning, and even game development. It stands out for its feature an intuitive pull-push tool, which allows users to create complex 3D shapes simply by dragging surfaces and clicking, which makes it surprisingly beginner-friendly for such a professional-grade tool. Whether you're sketching a basic floor plan, crafting a detailed architecture model, Sketchup gives you that flexibility to bring your version to life. One of its biggest strengths is its vast 3D warehouse and online library packed with user-generated models such as furniture, appliances, textures and more, which saves you a ton of time and effort during the design process. In terms of pricing, Sketchup offers a free web version that is good for hobbyists or students, while the pro version starts around $300 per year. Unlocks advanced features like detailed imports and export options, custom materials, and integration with professional rendering tools. It runs smoothly on both Windows and Mac OS, with additional apps for mobile and VR viewing. However, the learning curve can be very steep. If you're diving into complex architecture designs, you may need plugins for rendering and other specialised functions. Still, with its balance of simplicity and depth, Sketchup remains one of the most trusted and widely used design platforms out there, especially in the US market. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Overall, Planner5d is ideal for quick and user-friendly home design, while Sketchup is better for complex professional level 3D modelling. Your choice depends on whether you want speed, simplicity or control. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.